There's a little tobacco in
there's
here.
literally a cart in here.
There's not. Bruh! No! The amount of shit we find in this car might get us jail time. I don't even know, but it's like, there's like little human remains in the side of this thing. What's up, it's Elusive here, and today we're going to be cleaning up the disgusting ass old lady CRZ. We just did a video on the exterior clean, so if you missed that, go watch that right now. But yeah, it looks pretty fresh. It's the same day, actually. It's like 20 minutes after I did that, so yeah. So it's been a long day at the CRZ. We started at like 10 a.m. It's like, I don't know, 5 p.m. right now. So yeah, huge shout out to that. But yeah, we're going to start by taking the seats out and everything. It's a pretty simple car to clean. It's pretty small. So we're going to start by taking the seats out with my clinky ass door. And yeah, we'll start there and we'll move on from there. So we unhooked the battery just because in these seats there's airbags on the side. So I'm not trying to have those go off on me. More or less what I want them to go off, as they're probably expensive. So yeah, unplug the battery, and then we'll continue with the seat deinstallment. Is that how you say it? I don't know, either way. Alright, so we got two 14 millimeters on each side, so two in the back, two in the front. I just took out the red floor mat. Yeah, this M12 doesn't do shit for anything else other than these seats, apparently. I don't know why I bought this, but I did. So, yeah. Just has to grind the bolt away a little bit just so it works, but yeah, ease of access, am I right?
"2,000 years later."
This bitch is dead already, dude. But it lasted for 4 bolts. Oh, but no, we're good. It is dead. It was at 4 bars. I shit you not. Bro, this shit was at 4 bars and I picked it up and it's at 2 now. Whatever you do, don't invest your money in this, because it is obviously not worth it. It's like $300 for that fucking impact, dude. Whatever. So yeah, that's
you paid
that.
for that belt clip.
No, I didn't pay for shit. Came with it. So that's that. I'm gonna take the bolts out the back. It's kind of similar to the RSX, at least like where the bolts are, at least. So that's that. And then obviously it's gonna have Jesus Christ, dude. Go back where you belong. So it's gonna also have, oh, that's stinky, dude. What the fuck is this, a straw? More money back on my purchase. We found a total of 26 cents so far.
Definitely a breathalyzer pipe, dude.
It's a breathalyzer pipe?
DUI.
This is a breathalyzer pipe?
It's gotta be. You know, you stick that thing in the breathalyzers, they say blow.
Is that what you think this is?
It's gotta be, dude.
That's funny. That old lady's got something coming for her.
Now get the head out.
There we go. And then we can fold it.
Yeah, fold it up down.
It's always a fucking bitch getting seats like this out of a small car.
Dude, I can tip it and pick up the bag if you want to grab the top.
It's stuck against the steering wheel right now.
Yeah, I got it. Alright, now if you rotate it, we should be able to...
It's like doing fucking geometry and shit. I don't like it. Reason why... Skip that school. Okay, got it. Oh, we gotta unplug this shit first. Oh. My bad.
You got it?
Big Buff Daddy's got the seat.
Hand.
Oh, I got it.
Sweet.
Look at all that fun goodness in there. Oh my god.
She heavy?
Not really, actually. You should probably have the RSX seats.
Alright.
For real.
I'll get it out of my way.
Sport car. That's disgusting. What the? I just found some candy cane looking shit. What is this? Since you're an expert in everything.
That's definitely a shepherd's hook for like a little the dioramas that you put out at Christmas time.
The shepherd's hook, dude?
Yeah, that's a shepherd.
Why's it got a point on it?
That shepherd was freaking.
Well, she was
shicey.
shanking somebody with this
The
thing.
shepherd was shicey.
The amount of shit we find in this car might get us jail time. Let's see how we can get it here.
You got it by yourself
This
this
one's
time.
pretty easy.
Big boy Nick.
Big boy Nick.
No doodle bob head today though.
Aw, there is some weird ass shit down here.
Nail file.
You got like a nail filer for your nails?
I don't.
It's probably fucking infested with something, dude. Oh, it's got more packing sticks.
Oh yeah.
Here you go. You can have this one. It's a cinnamon stick. Tell your kids. I was kind of thinking to myself, maybe an old lady didn't own this car, but oh, Whoever Cammy is, you forgot your name tag.
I know the old lady is. Hold on, what's that from?
I don't know.
Where do you think it's from?
I don't know. It's from someplace in Illinois. That's what they said they lived. Bro, literally left like her entire garbage in this car. How can you even do that, dude?
Not the buff pad.
It doesn't smell too hot in here, doesn't it? There's a little tobacco in
there's
here.
literally a cart in here.
There's not. Bruh! No! No! I didn't want to buy a drug car. Give me that pic, bruh. God. I knew I was smelling some funky shit in here.
Bro, I'm afraid to even see what's underneath here.
Me too, because it looks disgusting in there. Like, that is disgusting. Like, there is literally, is that sandpaper or what is that? I don't even know, but it's like, there's like little human remains in the side of this thing.
That's part of the car, bro.
This is disgusting. I don't know what it is, but it's disgusting. Okay, let's get on with it.
Well, we're gonna see it.
Yeah, one more clip once everything comes off. Yeah, we got just.
Don't we gotta take the boot off?
Yeah. So we got 2 bolts, 1 on each side, and then we got 2 push pins on each side. Lucky me, I only had 1 bolt, so 2 was missing.
It is.
So, yeah. Bro, show me the key again.
It's a handcuff key, bro.
The handcuff key? Is that literally what that is?
I don't know. I genuinely don't know.
I don't think it would not. Looks like some key to like a kingdom. A tiny animal kingdom. Alright, we're gonna hope and pray it's just held in by a clip.
Oh, it's definitely held in. Oh, hold on.
I think I got her. It's hard to see because I think you have to be in the... Ooh, oopsies.
Sounds like you're breaking hell of shit. Yeah, the e-brake's in the way. That's what you're hitting right now.
Yeah. Alright, so we just ended up taking the mechanism off of the e-brake because it's just, I don't know what the hell happened to it, but we got it all up. It's all up. So yeah, now we should be able to just pull it up. Or whatever it's clipped into. You want to put the light on there quick?
I don't think it's...
It's got to be clipped.
attached to the entire dashboard. I think it's under the dashboard. It definitely looks like it's just under the dashboard and under the
Whatever this is comes off.
clips.
So there's 2 clips on, it looks like, probably.
They're on the inside.
And the inside.
Yeah.
So 1 on each side, and you just fucking yank her off. I'm gonna be actually wrapping this piece because you can see it. It's pretty shitty.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put that in the wrap pile.
Matte black wrap.
And then we do have 2 screws, apparently only 1 because this one's broken. So we got 1 screw. That's gonna be right there. And now she'll come right out. Come on, bitch.
Push that in, and I'll push this, and now try it.
What did you say?
Push it in.
Like towards you?
Yes. No, but like.
This by far wins the stupidest center console. I can see it's lifting up now.
Oh, it's pivoting like right here.
Alright, so we figured it out. This clip here, all you do is push this down with a pick and then you can move it wherever you want. It's called the gear lock or some shit. Some guy on YouTube said it. Shift lock, whatever. So we put it in D for douchebag. So now we can actually take the center console off. So yeah, we're gonna do that now. You want to grab a hold of this bitch. Yeah, if you don't move this back, it kind of gets stuck against there.
Yank it back.
We already broke the center console pretty much. So.
Oh, them cup holders are in the way now. Damn fuckers.
Damn fuckers. Now what's it stuck on, Mr. Expert?
Get them bitches out of there.
What? Cup holder?
Cup holders.
Why is that stuck? It's not stuck on that.
It's already broken at this point. I mean, shit, might as well just.
This is definitely not how it's supposed to come
get
out.
this hell out of here.
I don't think you're supposed to use excessive force to take this out.
Just
take a hammer to the whole thing.
Shatter it.
Well, that's all.
It'll come out then.
No, it won't. It probably wouldn't even come off. That's the funny thing. It'd probably break
pieces.
something else off. So we figured it out. We had to remove the whatever, this piece, a black motherfucker, and then the cup holder thing, according to some guy on YouTube. And then it's got 2 screws. It comes out in pieces apparently because it's not gonna come out in one piece like everything else should. Put that in the
get
cup
the metal
holder.
piece or the magnet.
The magnet. Where's the screwdriver? Where's the screwdriver? Right. Where are you on? So yeah, we're gonna unscrew these and it's gonna come out in 2 pieces apparently because that's how we do things around here.
There's too much shit on the magnet.
You're too much shit in the magnet.
Should stick right
I wouldn't put it there if I were you.
Here. It sticks there.
Ooh!
Trick shot.
Alright, so, yep, now we're gonna keep pulling it because that sounds like a good idea.
No, and then I think
more
you
screw.
gotta get those 2 screws. These 2.
Jesus Christ, dude. I'm gonna buy RS6 again just so I don't have to do this again. If they would have searched my car, took the seats out on the side of the road, I probably would have got arrested.
No, they wouldn't have even needed to take the seats out, bro.
Smell that shit.
Yeah, the drug dog would have.
Drug dog would have got me and go, woo, woo. Okay. Can you come off, bitch? I already broke you once.
Here, I'll see what comes off after he takes those screws out.
How about we watch the video again so we don't break
take
shit?
that other screw out.
There's that. It's a stupid ass design, personally. Yeah, almost there. That part should just slide with it. There you go. Now it's off. Alright, is it off now? Can we take it off? For fuck's sake. Oh, it does now. Hell yeah, take them off.
I don't know how I just got that one off. Put it down. I need more room. I'm stuck up in there.
There she goes. That's how we take center consoles off, motherfuckers.
What if I do it?
And I can't get those fucking screws because it's in the middle of Jackaboo nowhere.
Jackaboo? I thought it was Jigaboo.
Same shit. Different city. I am about to throw the center console out the door.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So we figured it out after 2017 bolts later. Too many bolts. You gotta take damn near the entire thing apart to disassemble it.
I thought it was 2014.
Whatever, I don't care. Oof. So happy to see this thing out. It's so irritating. Okay, it's coming out. Oh, I shouldn't drop all the screws either. That would suck. Okay, woo! 2017 layers later. Oh shit. It took me as long to disassemble that did this fucking somebody to actually design that probably. That was annoying. Okay, it's out now. Look at the deceased body parts in here. It's disgusting. But yeah, we're gonna clean the hell out of this now. Everything's out. Alright, we back. It's the next day actually. We didn't do a whole lot since we took center console out. So all we did so far was I took off the pieces that were all peeling. So as you can see, I wrapped this black. And I also did the other side as well. Same thing. It looks a lot better now. It's not cracked and shit. And the center console pieces as well. They're all kind of the same material. Wherever I put those, they're probably over here somewhere. So I wrapped all them in matte black as well. So it'll look a lot better when it's in. It's not cracked and shit. And then the side panels as well. So next we're gonna get the vacuum, the suck, and we're gonna clean out this motherfucker's mess. So other things we found, I didn't mention, we found her fucking name tag. I think we saw that yesterday. But we also found like her waitress book. Apparently she's a waitress or something. I found her waitress book, and it has all sorts of fucking receipts and stuff in it. And we also found $5 in the book, so making money back on my purchase. And yeah, other than that, that's the only good as we found, really, unfortunately. But those are kind of some good stuff in here, not gonna lie. Alright, bitches, we got everything vacuumed out to the extent of everything not being disgusting in here. So we're gonna go disc golfing actually, so we're gonna take a little break on this motherfucker. But after that, I'm gonna get into more of the deeper shit. What the fuck? Whatever. Okay, there's like some sugar shit back there. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna get back into it. Might take the rear seats out because it's like sugar and shit. Looks like cocaine back there. But yeah, after that, we'll get back into cleaning this a little later. But yeah. Alright, boys, it's been about 6 hours. Just kidding, it's like 3. We got the rear seats out. We found some more goodies. Where's the light at? Let me get the boys the light. So we found a whole ass set of crayons, pretty much. Another receipt, it looks like. Which is, oh, $118 receipt. What did she buy? Don't even say what she bought. But yeah, that's fun. We got a whole set of crayons back here, so we're gonna do some coloring after this. And we're gonna get to clean out this now, because this is disgusting as shit. I'm glad we took it off. Because nobody likes to keep their car like this, apparently. And apparently nobody knows how to clean their car. Turn on, bitch. What happened to the vacuum? It don't work! Hey! Well, plug the vacuum. Shop vacs being held together by zip ties currently. Oh, you unplugged it, you dumb bitch.
Oh, yeah, I needed the cord. Hold on.
Nah, we're good. It's right here. We're good. I got enough room. We're good. So John was a G and picked up a steam cleaner for us, as I didn't have one, and he kind of wanted one as well. Picked up a steam cleaner and tried it out a bit in the format that we're not going to be using. But it definitely cleaned the hell out of it, so we're going to be checking this guy out and using that. Definitely a good investment. It was like only 40 bucks, something like that?
Yeah.
It's like 40 bucks, so had to drive a little ways for it. Only else had it in stock, but look at that clean-ass paint, bruh. Hell yeah. Okay, enough about that. We're going to steam clean some of the areas here. We'll get you guys some footage on that. Cloth can take a lot of shit because it's the same as the seat, or the same as the floor pretty much. Alright boys, we've been steaming for a while now. We got everything pretty much clean, just the center console we got to do yet. So we're going to throw the rear seats back in. They're a little wet yet, but other than that, it's really clean. The diaper's falling off, my bad. So yeah, we're going to throw these guys back in. The rear seats, all the trunk stuff back in, and then the last step's going to be putting the center console and the seats back in. So that's going to be the last part. Nice part about the rear seats is the bottom is literally just 4 clips, and then the top is just 2 bolts screwed in. So yeah, all you gotta do is line up the clips and you're good, or not good. There we go. And now somebody cannot sit back here still. Look at that. 2 brand new seats you can't sit in. Woo! Alright, it's been a few minutes. We got everything steam cleaned. The center console all steam cleaned. Everything is clean. I got the light again because I'm retarded. So it's all clean. As you saw, the carpet was really bad before. So now it's really good. We conditioned it with a bunch of different shit. It's like some chemical guys. I'll show you guys what we used. We used this shit. Just like premium air freshener, it's called an odor eliminator. So now what we're gonna do is now let's put the center console in. So we got it all detailed over here, all the various parts, all that could come off. So it's all over here. We're gonna put it back in the same way it came out, and hopefully not break anything this time. All right, well it's been a little while. Center console is in. The only thing I couldn't get in is these side pieces. I'm trying to find the light. The side pieces don't want to go in, and I think it's because the wrap is just a little too big, and it's just I think we broke a few of the pieces off. So yeah, that's gonna be not going on now because I'm just pissed, and I've been fucking with it for about 2 hours now, which is ridiculous. We spent like me and John spent like almost all day on this thing already, just yeah, getting it to where it is. So I need to just get the seats in and get this thing out of here. It's been way too long, but these are gonna be off. But I wrapped them all matte black to match everything else, which did not work out too well. But it looks a lot better than it did before, a lot cleaner. Doesn't smell like cigarettes and shit. So we're gonna clean this out with the vacuum one more time because I kind of got it all dirty again because you know that's the way things go. Pretty ticked off, but it is what it is. So we're gonna get everything back in, besides these, and yeah.
Wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits some loose shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.